I just saw the craziest looking, the craziest looking animal. It's a bird, but it looks fucking weird. Look at it, look. Just see it go by. Sorry, I wasn't looking into my camera. Yeah. I just saw it. I hear it. Oh, it's a robin. Where's the... Did you see that? I see it out in this field type thing. It's that thing. Oh, we got a robin here staring at me. But I am not interested in you. I'm interested in that thing right there. What is it? Damn, this camera is not stable. I'm not zoomed in this much. What is that thing? Oh, I can tell by the call that that's a female woodpecker. Okay. Well, I've never seen a female before. That's why I was confused. I've got this little tank here that I wanted to put a salamander in, because I've been seeing them a lot. Here is where I've been seeing them. Yeah, they just kind of pop up sometimes. This is the current setup of the pond here. Grandpa made this pond. Looks like this. It's pretty. But this is where the frogs and the salamanders hang out. I actually, this is the first time, one time I caught a salamander not here. I've caught turtles or whatever, frogs, but salamanders are a new thing. I saw a really big one last year, but that's the first time I really saw a salamander. Oh, that sounded like a weird accent. But, yeah, they've just been popping up over and over again. I just saw something move in here. Apologies for the horrible camera work. I don't see any frogs. Oh, something maybe. But you never actually see them until the last minute when they're going down. That's definitely how it is with the salamanders. Oh my god. Please tell me I got that on video. I just saw one. Yeah, so they show up sometimes. Oh, in the distance over there. It's gone, but I saw it. There's actually a lot popping up over there. Let's grab my nut. This is a lightsaber that my friend made out of wood. That's really cool. But let's go over here. Looks like they like to be popping up around that pole. You can see salamander eggs right there. And so that is probably why, is that they can sort of latch onto there. I'm gonna sit here and continue to take videos of this so that I can have footage of salamanders because they're cool. God, their reflections are so confusing. I don't know if you can hear that, but there is something shaking around over there. Oh God, I just got mud on my foot. Whoop. We got squirrels in the woods and a ton of birds. Yeah, so that sounds like it's a deer in the distance. Okay, this video's been rolling for 6 minutes. I don't see any deer. There's birds over here. I don't know what kind of bird that black one is, but it's doing weird stuff in the grass, and okay, that's a thrush. Yeah. Maybe that's why they call them thrushes, because they thrush around in the grass. She's gonna chill in there, Oop. Find it? There we go. Very cool, and we got another one right there. I always thought these birds were really cute, and they can get pretty chubby. Oh. Look at this thing. Cutie. Yeah, so they're gone, but check out this Properté. Epic, right? Poggers. Okay, I'm gonna go away from the woods because it scares me. I don't think it's harmful if I show my property, considering, look where we are. Yeah, find me, bro. Can't. Literally in the middle of nowhere with no neighbors. We got a father over there working on a Jeep. So I'll probably cut this bit out. Oh, the moon. I'll cut all of it out past here. Oh, bird just flew past the moon, but the moon has been out all day for the past month and a half. So, oh, bird, blue jay, up there. Oh, he's still going. Let's see if there's any salamanders popping up. That is a blue jay making noise. I don't know if you can see, but you can see kind of maybe the reflections in this pond here. Yeah, there's like 6 of them flying around. I don't know what they're doing. Just kind of having a good time. Oh my God, little bird. I don't know, I think that looks like a sparrow or So yeah, see ya. Hope you have a nice rest of your day. Here's the inhumane tank to look at while I give an outro. But yeah, see ya. Thanks for watching. If you did watch, no one's gonna watch all the way through, but if you did, props to you. Leave a like. You don't need to subscribe because I don't actually do anything. But if you like me and stuff like this, okay, just bye. Subscribe, something like that. Sure.